Alright guys, well I'm pretty sure you guys are itching to see what I have for you guys to see. So, I'm gonna upload it like right away because I'm pretty sure you guys are impatiently waiting for this to go up. So, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in like right now and vacuum the bedrooms with this. Probably not gonna be much to pick up with it because I pretty much cleaned so much with the Dirt Devil multi-surface, but I'll give it a run for you guys. Give me just a minute, guys, so I can do the cord. And like I said, guys, this is brand spanking new. So yeah. No, as you can look at the hose like right now, I'm gonna show you guys. Look, you see, nothing wrong with it at all. No crazy markings on it. No issues. So we're good. So guys, I noticed I lost one subscriber. But I want to say thank you for all 381 of you guys. So let me go ahead and pop this into the power strip right fast so I can get this going. Alright guys, well, here we go. Guys, you know, like I said, this one's quieting down since I've been running it, so it's kind of a matter of me breaking it is all, guys. It's all. So if you guys are wondering, should this make this noise? Yeah, that's not uncommon. Guys, one thing I will say, this versus the multi-surface on the throw rod, guys, it only does a good job. It doesn't wrinkle up or fall off, so that's really good. I'm not knocking the multi-surface at all, guys, like I said. Right here. One is thing to break in a little bit, that's all. I'm not knocking the multi-surface, guys, watch it. I don't say really vacuum much of the multi-surface at all, but you know, guys, look at it. I'm probably going to run that thing again later on to look at here. It's not the crap right out of these guys. It's really pulling a lot of dirt already. And look at it. Guys, that's just the beginning of me running this thing. Like, I'm pretty impressed. Look at that. That has picked up a pretty good little fine piece of dirt right there, guys. And that's just the beginning. I mean, guys, hope you guys are enjoying the brand new replacement Dirt Devil Power Max that I got. So, yes, I will be uploading this. So, yes, guys, the Power Max is back. It's brand spanking new, better than ever. So, yeah. There's no issues with it at all. So guys, you will be seeing this a lot. And look how nice and clean it is. It's like perfect. There's nothing wrong with it at all. Guys, great machine. I highly recommend you go buy one if you don't have one. yes, that little noise you hear, that's common. You're supposed to hear that little bit of a noise when you vacuum. You hear a little bit of vibration, but there's nothing wrong with it, guys. I mean, like I said, this is, I've had Dirt Devils as a kid growing up till now, and they've always been noisy. They've always been loud. So, yeah, not uncommon at all. Everything is fine. If you hear that, you're good. Just as long as it's not tearing up the brush roller belt, you're not running over 4 knobs to your clothes with it, you're fine. But let me get back to the vacuum here for a minute. Now I'm going to put it away. Wow, too, I am really good. Guys, if you're wondering, is this thing cleaning well? Yeah, it's doing really good. I mean, really well. It's actually shocking me that it's doing such a good job cleaning this well. I mean, look at this. I'm absolutely happy with it, really. I can't say much more about it. As I said, it's doing a really good job on what it's doing. So guys, first initial thoughts and impressions. Wow, just look at all that. That's just... There's a lot of dirt in here, guys. The multi-surface picks up a boatload of it too, but like I said, I'm actually shocked that this thing got after as much dirt as it found. I mean, look, let's see here, guys. Oh yeah, it got a lot of... I'm gonna say maybe a lot of carpet fluff, or I don't know. Probably a lot of dirt, guys. Look at all that. It really went to town on it, though. Still brand new vacuum though, guys. Barely even used. This is the first time I even used it, so still brand spanking new, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video of the Dirt Devil Power Max. There will be more to come of it. Plus, you're going to be seeing more of the multi-surface. So, hope you guys enjoyed it, and Happy New Year to everyone.